Well, hello, this is Gary from Keyman for You Farm. I'm done for the day on the 30th. It is after 4:30. I decided to fix my dinner. I guess I put a little bit too much wood in there. So now I gotta wait for the wood to die down for me to put my hamburger patties on there. So before you ask, what do I have with my hamburger patties? Nothing. I have 3 hamburger patties. No bun, no lettuce, no tomatoes, nothing. No salt and pepper. You'd be surprised, once you get used to not eating with the spices, how much food itself has a flavor. And it's good for you. You get high blood pressure or cholesterol issues. You got to cut them out anyway. So might as well start early and enjoy the taste of food for what it really is. So, what I have accomplished today, I have, let's see. I have painted 2 rooms, ceilings. I found more paint, so tomorrow I will be going around the outside, around the trim, and cutting down around the trim. The previous person who put the stuff up also caulked it. Well, I didn't clean that out yet. So tomorrow is cleaning day in the attic, or in the on the ceiling and trim board around the top of the ceiling. They put crown molding in, so I got to trim that before I can caulk it. So I can't paint until I get that trimmed and then caulked, and then probably next week before I can paint the ceilings again. I did get stuff done in electrical in the kitchen. If you want to see what's going on in the kitchen, I'm not doing any open postings for the kitchen. You need to contact me with your email address, and I will give you access to the kitchen. I'm going to post this also on Facebook, so people can have it in both locations. So appreciate it. If you really want to see what's going on in the kitchen, you need to text me somehow or message me your email address. Then I can add it to the approved list, and you will have access to that private area to watch the kitchen remodel. You guys have a great night. I'm going to sit here by my fire waiting for it to die down. As you see, I have plenty of wood. And I can create more because I got 20 acres to get more wood if I need to. So, I will have to do wood for tomorrow morning. Also, for my cooking my dinner tomorrow night. So y'all have a good time, and I know I'm going to. And we'll see you next time on Keyman for You Farm.